civil authorities in the area have issued an administrative message. Active until 2:00 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Phoenix Police Department. At approximately 12:45 p.m., residents of Phoenix outside sighted a large bird, cloaked in flames soaring around the skies of Phoenix. This bird is described to be taller than common birds, has golden and scarlet wings comparable to an eagle's, and is mainly red-feathered. Witnesses also saw that the body of this bird emitting rays of pure sunlight, able to shine brightly as the sun, blinding anyone who sees it. Due to the appearance and abilities alone, it is believed that the phoenix has stormed around the city. The phoenix is a Greek ancient mythological firebird that symbolizes immortality, life and death, based on Egyptian legends. The phoenix does not pose a threat to organic life. To repeat, the phoenix does not pose a threat to organic life. There is no danger, but all residents in Phoenix are advised not to look too much into this bird, as the sight alone can damage your eyes. Use UV protection such as sunglasses to gaze upon the phoenix yourself. However, this is only a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you to see the phoenix, and it is estimated to be a few more minutes until the phoenix is no longer seen in the city. It is unknown how is this happening, but it is believed that the phoenix is roaming around the United States on its own. Stay tuned for media news and updates regarding this phenomenon.